Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. If you've been watching our live shows, we've been opening Lego Disney minifigures, and we still have 7 to find.
Series 2. We're on Series 2. And we have 7 left.
All right, well, so we went to Target, and
Target.
yeah, it's kind of a bourgeois type store now. I don't know if I don't know if I made this word up, but
no, it's boutique-y.
yeah, it's very boutique-y now. They've I don't know, they've taken this time to make it.
I still
really
spent
cool,
20 minutes merchandising.
Right.
Like, they still don't really know how to merchandise, so I had to help them out in the Disney section.
Yeah. Yeah, she can't. You can take the girl out of the Disney store, but you can't take the Disney store out of the girl.
That was funny.
So we ended up clearing them out, and we're gonna break this up. There's actually gonna be 2 videos, so this is part 1 of 2 to find out if we can get the last 7 out of Series 2 Disney Lego minifigures.
And then possibly a few more on our live show next Saturday.
Yeah, you know, make sure that you're checking in with us on Saturdays at 1 o'clock for Disney Connections Live on YouTube. Okay. Hey, click the subscribe button if you're a Disney lover. Well, that's at the end of the show.
Well, I'm just telling them where it's going to be. It'll be down,
it'll be over
down here.
Yeah.
Or right here in a circle.
Right down there. And check out the description because if you have some Disney minifigs that you want to send us, RPO boxes
For
in the
sure.
description.
For sure.
All right, you know what?
Let's open.
Let's open these things because I really want to get this last 7.
Right? We are missing. We still need Minnie Mouse, the black and white Minnie Mouse. We need Huey and Louie. We need Jafar, Jasmine, and
Frozone and Hades.
And Hades.
Okay. You know what? Before I even look in there,
I thought we
just
had
want to show you.
Hades.
So
I'm
here.
confused.
All right. So that's all of the ones in Series 2.
And look at your cute little left-handed check marks.
Oh.
So weird. Okay.
All right. We're looking for a new one.
Okay. Oh, I mean,
Wah,
yay,
wah.
but I love this one.
Yeah. You know, I was going to do some
They can't
crazy...
even see it.
I was going to do some crazy magic, but I've already got one put together. So let's not put that one together. We'll leave that. So this is the first one we got.
Yay.
We got another
it's
Steamboat
super cute.
Willie. Yeah, I guess that will
I
have
like
to be...
him.
That'll be a giveaway later on.
All right.
All right. Let's see.
Come on.
Who likes to go to Vegas? Because I feel
We've
like this
never
is
been
good.
to Vegas.
I know. Well, we've flown through.
We've flown through, but...
All right. What do we got?
Oh,
Man.
who is
All
it?
right.
Chip or Dale?
Well, I'll put that one back in the bag.
Right, you got one.
And I've got one right here. So
It's Chip.
there's Chip. Okay. Well,
Okay,
this could be a short video.
number 3.
Here we
Number
go.
3.
Number 3.
Come on, Jafar. I think it's Jafar.
You think it's Jafar? We got a new one.
We got a new one. And Disney,
All right.
Mark will be happy about this one.
So hold out your hands.
Okay.
Hades!
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
All right, so we're down to 6.
All right.
We get to add this one.
To the collection.
And I'm
you're
going to
mark
take
it off.
my trusty dusty pin here.
Mark them off.
And marking off Hades.
Awesome. How many more bags do we have to open? 1?
We got 2 more bags to open.
2 more to open. Okay.
2 more.
All right.
2 more.
This one's going to be Jasmine. I wonder what the most like rare one was of the set.
If you know, comment below, because as I was doing some research for these, we're like a year behind.
Yeah, these have been out for a while. I had no idea.
But they're super exciting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Super. Oh. Well, does he have a head?
He does.
Oh. It's another chip.
Another chip.
That's like our 4th chip. Obviously, Chip was not.
Chip is not the
rare.
sought after. Yeah.
The unicorn.
One bag left.
One bag left. Come on, Louie. What's happening? Nothing's.
This one's stuck.
Oh, it's in a baggie.
Oh, it's a baggie inside.
That's so weird. Some of them are in little plastic baggies. No, it's another dupe.
It's another dupe. No, I can't.
Who is it?
I can't get it out of the bag.
All right. Crazy.
All right. Well.
Who is it?
I can tell this one is Jack Skellington.
Wah, wah. Where's our wah wah? We don't. Oh, we can't do that on that video.
Can't want on the recording.
Well, shoot.
All right. Well, there you got it. There you have it. There you be. We did get one more. We are down to 6 left to go.
Okay.
So, you know, comment below if you've seen these. Comment below if you would want to see some more. We need Minnie, Louie, Huey, Jafar, Jasmine, and Frozone.
Yep, 6 of them?
6 of them.
All right.
P.O. Box is in the description. If you've got them, send them our way.
Sure.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming on to Disney Connections today. I hope that we brought you some joy. We appreciate all the subscribers. Keep checking back. We've got giveaways coming. We also have our live show on Saturdays at 1 o'clock. Appreciate you being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.